Hello. So this video is about potential. When you think of us as a massive energy enclosed inside a circle, all of our energy is contained. And whenever we have a thought about someone else, it takes one of our energies and makes a thread to that thing that we're thinking about. And when you understand that, then you realize that the more we're thinking about things that aren't right in the now moment, the more threads of our thoughts are attached to things, whether it's bills or children or work or relationships. And all of those things are energy leaks. When we're no longer thinking and worrying about those things, all of our energy is contained, and that's when we're at our maximum potential. Now, when we're at our maximum potential and we have no energy leaks, which means that we're in the now moment and have no thoughts about worries and anxiety and depression, but we're fully thinking about what we're doing right now, then that creates us to be at our maximum potential because we can use all of this energy that's untapped and not leaking now and direct it at one specific thing. So when you understand that, then you need to understand that what if you are wondering what you're going to be doing in the future, how successful you're going to be, what you're going to be doing, then all you need to do is look at what you're doing now. Every now moment is an opportunity to do something. You can't do anything in the yesterday because it's already past, and you can't do anything in the future because it's not here yet. The only time that you have to make progress or to do anything productive is your now moments, which is when you're fully present in the moment. And that means fully present means you have no energy leaks about worries or stress or strife or anything. All of your energy is contained right here and giving you the best ability to put all of your focus on doing something right now. And that can be anything. You can, if you want to be a mechanic, then you should be using your now moments to learn about mechanics. If you want to be a teacher, then you should be using your now moments to enroll in school and go to school and become a teacher. And that's so what you're doing now is determining the future. So a lot of us work a 9 to 5 job or whatever, and 6 days a week, and then we have one day spare, and we get home and we're exhausted after working all day, and so we watch TV, and then on our day off we just maybe catch up on cleaning, and that's about it. Maybe go out with our friends, and then it's back to that cycle of doing that 6 days of work. When you start using your potential, you're going to use all of your now moments, and you're going to be doing something in your spare time that's not things like watching TV and Netflix. Because if you're watching TV and watching movie, what's happening is that you're wasting all of your potential, because if you watch an hour every evening of social media or movies or TV shows, then in 1 year you would have had 364 or 65 hours of not using your brain. And so that potential, that is a loss of potential. You're much better using that time to read books of self-help, um, anything that's going to better your life skills, better your mental, spiritual, and physical health, going to the gym. And because if you use that 1 hour and read 15 of those minutes and exercise for 45 of them, then a year from now you're going to be in great physical shape. And if you use those 15 minutes to learn a new language, you're going to be quite fluent in a new language in the end of that year. So every now moment is potential and determines where you're going to be in the future. And so it's up to you really to decide what you're going to do with your now moments. Are you going to waste it watching movies, or being depressed and sitting in your home and feeling sorry for yourself? Or are you going to use your potential to better yourself, to give yourself a better quality of life, to exercise and relieve yourself of future pain and suffering? Because that is what the goal is. We're supposed to be using every now moment to further our success and to relieve ourselves from pain and suffering. Blessings of consciousness.